Hello, and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your mineralogy teacher, Jen, and it's time for Monday's Mineral. So today we're going to do this a little different, partially because the sample I have is a bitty, and second, because my husband is the best, and for my birthday, he got me a little digital microscope. So we're going to go take a peek. Okay, so these crystals you are seeing here are Epsomite, or what you might recognize as Epsom salt. Its chemical formula is MgSO4 plus 7H2O, making it yet another hydrous sulfate like gypsum. It is typically white, and I know it's hard to tell in here just because of the way it looks, but these little crystals are white. If I point you to the bag that it came out of, they are definitely white. Doesn't really want to focus though. There we go. See, white crystals. But they can also be gray, colorless, pink, or green. And they usually form acicular to fibrous incrustations. It rarely twins, and it has perfect cleavage on one plane and distinct cleavage on a second. It has conchoidal fracture. It's brittle and has a hardness of 2 on Mohs hardness scale. It has a white streak, a vitreous luster. You can kind of tell on here. If I turn my, put the lighting up. No, you can kind of see it on that upper one over here. It's giving a bit of that vitreous luster from the light shining on it. But the luster does become silky when it becomes fibrous, and it's typically transparent to translucent. Right now, that's part of what's going on here, especially with ones like this one. These ones are pretty transparent, but some of these are looking a little more translucent. So light is passing through them, some better than others. Now, Epsomite most often occurs in limestones as an incrustation, usually in like caves and rarely in fumarole and evaporite deposits. And obviously, the thing that we use this most for is for bath salts. So a lot of people have seen them, used them, that kind of thing. They're in pretty much every grocery store. So that's a fun little bit on our last sulfate mineral for the month. Thanks for coming to today's lesson, and make sure you tune in tomorrow for some fun trivia on Epsomite. Fossilize you later.